Ah, wake up in the morning. Let's see how Slade's doing in his new room. Oh, hi, Slade.
Oh, oh. I thought it was another piece of glass.
Oh, yeah, about that. Maybe we should get it cleaned up.
It's smelly. Get away from me. Get away from me.
I just woke up. Fine, I'll go take a bath.
I remember, I forgot I was about to go to lunch, but he's not here. He went to our parents because he was so upset because he lost so many times. Poor Landon.
Yeah, that's true. Poor Landon.
We need to figure out that portal.
Yeah.
And also sell this stuff out here. Oh, don't want to walk on that.
Don't come in the bathroom. I'm trying to use the restroom.
We'll look up.
Look for the news.
I'm searching up the secret portal website.
Okay.
It says you can teleport it with any type of computer. It just has to be right next to it. Okay.
That's new.
Well, I'm not gonna do it right now. I like that. I like the spot that is. I'm gonna can I go on BloxBay?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go on BloxBay and sell these stuff.
Okay. I'm
Put
gonna
up
go.
the two beds, table, no, let's keep the 2 seats. Okay.
I'm just gonna watch TV.
We need some more lights.
I know.
Hey, we need to go to walk soon.
Yeah.
Like we go and we need some lights in here.
Yeah, we really do.
Hey, Nathan, come in here and watch the cooking channel.
Oh, yay. I've been waiting for that.
The newest episode is out. I'm sure really watch these.
Yeah, I think the guy's
He's
pretty
a
upset.
terrible cook. He's a terrible cook.
He looks pretty upset.
Yeah, and we really beat him too hard. Should I call him? I'm gonna call him.
Okay. You make that phone call.
Yeah. Okay, he didn't pick up, but should I order food?
Sure. Maybe I should change clothes. I mean, I have worn this for like a lot of days. Probably very stinky.
I ordered hamburgers.
Okay.
Man, this new stuff is so cool. I didn't realize we had a phone on the wall.
Wait, what?
We had a phone on the wall this whole time.
Maybe Landon left it for us.
No. I just found them. It said it came with a wall phone, but I never saw it. Probably because the house was too junky. I was focusing on the smell.
We might need to change it someday. Maybe I should go change my clothes.
I want to go to walk.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go change my clothes in this closet right here. Okay, let's search through everything.
Bull.
Okay, so I guess I got my new clothes now.
Hey Nathan, food is here.
Oh yay! Let's set it on the dinner table.
Let's eat on the new table.
Yeah, I forgot we had a new table.
Tell me if you like it. I built it with the rest of the material. Hey, give me some of those hamburgers.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
You can't have 4 for yourself.
Okay. I'm sorry, I'm just really hungry.
I'm gonna kick you out.
No. Okay. There we go.
You put them all the way over there.
Yep. Are you happy? Wow, I was very hungry.
I was really hungry. Let's not forget to turn off this TV. Let's watch the rest of this episode later.
Yeah, we'll put it on pause. Maybe we should.
God, we don't have pool no more.
Oh yeah, we really needed the money.
Yeah. We got the ladder for the roof. So,
Maybe we should sell that.
I'll put that on BloxBay.
Okay. I'm gonna go through your window that's broken that you need to fix. Did you paint this?
No, we got that at the garage sale.
Oh.
Okay, just putting this on BloxBay. Okay, done. I'm not watching TV in my room.
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna go to work.
Okay.
I'm gonna take our bikes. I'm just gonna take this one. We really need the money, so don't worry.
And you got the wheels stuck in the seat. Yeah, I saw that, Nathan.
Sorry. Are you looking through the window?
Yeah, I was. It's gonna cost $10.
No, it hasn't broke yet. Now I'm stuck. Okay, never mind. Okay. Oh, I found.
Oh. No. Okay. Wait, didn't you get fired? Didn't you get fired? Nathan from Mike's Motors, and now you're working at Pizza Planet?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
It doesn't give me a ton of money, but at least it gives me money. It's not the best job in the world, but at least it's a job. And I'll probably get fired because I brought the moped inside the building. Oh, I got promoted. I'm gonna call Slade. Give him a call, see how he's doing. Yeah. Left my telephone here. I'll just use my Bluetooth headphones. Hello, Slade?
Hi, Nathan.
Oh, hi,
Hi, I'm thinking of buying a new shower.
oh, what's wrong with the one we have?
It goes onto the floor.
Oh.
Water. And maybe I should, I'll get a new toilet and a new floor too.
Okay.
Okay, was there something you wanted to tell me about?
I got promoted.
Cool. Okay, bye.
Bye. Well, I guess he wasn't that fascinated. Let's get him. So, I think that's enough work for today. So, I'm gonna see how Slade's doing and what he is doing. It's not a lot. Let's go check out him. I don't think Slade's gonna be happy with what just happened. Fix before he sees me. He didn't see me.
Hey, is that Nathan?
I think he saw me. Get out. I need to run.
Is that Nathan?
I need to run. I need to run. Get in my vehicle. I need to run.
Hey, Nathan, you back?
Yeah. I'm back. Totally. Nothing happened.
Okay, whatever, but I finished
I'm stuck. Can you help me? Okay, never mind.
Look, come look at the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, I really like it. But now people can see when you're taking a shower.
No one else comes in the shower, so.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to sleep.
Yeah, okay. See you in the morning.
See ya.